Hello everyone, welcome. In this video we're talking about how to fix Battlefield 6 unable to connect to EA servers. So guys, make sure to understand that this game is very fresh. It just came out, like a week ago, 10th of October. So usually on the games that are newly released, you will get, of course, lots of players and the servers are being overloaded. So that's why there isn't really a particular fix for this, apart from just waiting. So lots of people are logging in. You might be in the queue, for example. I have been when I played, for example, COD or some other games that are popular as well. So if you want to check if maybe the servers are the problem, the issue, you go to Battlefield 6 and then you type in server status like this. So this is EA servers. And as you can see, Battlefield 6 is online. I'm not really sure how to check if there are any issues in here. Maybe we can use another website. All right, there you go, Battlefield. So as you can see, users report possible problems at Battlefield. So as you can see, we have some, lots of them at October 17th. As you can see, almost 500 reports. October 17th, again. Yeah, so that's pretty much the ideas and tips for you guys. So enjoy playing, hopefully you can get in, and thank you for watching this video. I'll see you soon.